Hi Gurpreet, I'm going to present marketing simulation. I selected the target market of outdoor enthusiasts. The various reasons for choosing the target market of outdoor enthusiasts was the market ready to spend higher price, high scope and high growth rate of backpacks. In marketing simulation, firstly I did lots of planning and analysis about the various segments. I analyzed the needs and demand of all target markets. Then by seeing all the requirements of the markets, I decided to make backpacks for the outdoor enthusiasts because their growth rate was 5%. Firstly, I make backpack with large rectangular shape with wide plus chest straps and put features of water bottle and waterproofing with advanced material of tan color. I set price for the product which is suitable and within the budget of outdoor enthusiasts. The price I selected for the product was $119. It is in the budget of target market. And I selected various distribution channels like department store, fashion boutique, high-end outdoor, direct and discount retailer. Whereas I used various positioning messages such as high quality, cutting edge, safe, and eco friendly and various advertising buys, gym and sporting locations at various frequency. I did very well in planning all the things about backpack which fulfills the demand of outdoor enthusiasts. I always set margin per unit high in order to rise net profit. In case of dissatisfaction of the target market, I change advertising platform. I always add more distribution channels so that my target market can buy backpack easily. I also added various positioning messages in the backpack so that outdoor enthusiasts influence towards backpack and increase their sales and net profit. I also channel features of the backpack to provide comfort and high capacity to the outdoor enthusiasts to fulfill and satisfy their needs. By adding more distribution channels, I add so that my target market can buy backpacks easily and consider that changing or adding the channels of distribution helps to rise the sales and revenue. As a result of this, I achieved higher net profit. The various areas of improvement in ML backpacks are in the sales revenue and net profit increased. When online news removed from its advertising platform and when high quality and eco-friendly positioning messages added to increase sales revenue and net profit of backpack. When backpack sales were decreasing, then I increased prices and replaced white padded straps with white plus chest. In case of dissatisfaction of outdoor enthusiasts, I removed online news from its advertising platform and added gym and sporting locations at frequency of 1. Mainly outdoor enthusiasts are those who enjoys outdoor recreation for enjoyment as they engage in traveling and they have to stay for a long period of time at their destination. So they need backpacks with having great capacity and they also need a feature of water bottle and waterproofing because dehydration is very much indispensable when they go out to stay healthy. They have to hydrate themselves when traveling is done extrinsic. All these characteristics have greater impact on the shape and features of the product and net profit of the ML backpacks is very high as compared to the other competitors. Profit of backpack is high as compared to other competitors. ML backpacks have excellent feedback. There were multiple learning moments from which I learned lesson. After first turn, I added distribution deal with high-end outdoor leads to high net profit and total revenue. After fourth turn, ML backpacks change advertising for increased revenue. After sixth turn, I increase price and add one positioning message that is cutting edge in backpacks. This resulted in the decrease of net profit. Then in next turn, I realized I should add various positioning messages to enhance the net profit and net revenue. The net profit get increased in higher numbers. After the eighth turn, sales promotion is started by ML backpacks with high-end outdoor. So again net profit decrease in minimum percentage. So then I decided to add eco-friendly positioning messages that create journal awareness and remove gym and spotting locations. Add online news in spite of this to its advertising platform because our motive is to earn profit, but unfortunately profit get decreased. Then I analyze a lot and I learned big lesson from this that I have to decide to decrease price and add white plus chest traps, which leads to increment in the net profit and revenue. It is very necessary that we should select product according to the preference and needs of target market. Price must be selected so that it is in the budget of the target market. Good positioning messages must be selected which influence the target market greatly and distribute the product in that manner in that places which are convenient to target market and helps in increasing the sales revenue as well as customer also satisfied with the product.